Hello Cancerians, welcome to my page and thanks for joining. In this video we'll be having a look at your overall energy and then clarifying that. So it is your current check-in or what's going on currently in your life. So let's see, what's the overall energy for Cancerians. I'll shuffle again because two cards have come up. I need one card. What's the overall energy for Cancerians? Okay, Four of Cups. So Cancerians, you are upset over something. Okay, there is something which is really bothering you. You are not able to focus on anything else in your life right now. You are too engrossed and too much focused on whatever you have lost or whatever has not worked out in your life. Okay, so there is a degree of disappointment over here regarding something in your life, and you are totally closed off to anything new which is coming up in your life. Okay, you are totally closed off to anything. You are not even able to see what the universe is giving you, or even if you are able to see it, you are just ignoring it. You really don't want it. It's something like that. Too much focused on what you lost. Okay, let's see what that is. Why is this Four of Cups here for Cancerians? Why is this Four of Cups here for Cancerians? So for the Four of Cups we have again the Five of Cups, really very upset. The Four of Pentacles, the Star, okay, the Two of Cups, the Knight of Swords, the King of Cups, okay, the Queen of Wands. So Cancerians, you are really upset over something, okay, and you are totally closed off. You are not even sharing it with anyone perhaps, or you're really closed off to anything. You are not sharing this, whatever this thing is which is troubling you, with anyone, and it is something maybe this was something really close to your heart, something precious, something really really precious only, I should say. And this is something has happened over here in a situation which is really troubling you, and you really don't want to share it, okay, or you are not doing it for any reason, maybe voluntarily. Okay, you are keeping it to yourself. With the Star being there and the Two of Cups, definitely you are dealing with a relationship over here which is beautiful. See, what I feel here is, I really don't, either you're just wishing for this person, wishing them to be back, it can be that also, or maybe your wishes are coming true. Okay, then maybe what I feel here is, with the Star being there, there is a lot of hope, there is a lot of healing. Okay, even if maybe it is a transient energy, maybe it is just a transient energy. That's what I'm getting here. Because with the Star, it is something which you actually dream for. It's your wish, it is your dream come true, and it is definitely a relationship or a strong bond, a friendship. It can be anything which is really important for you. You really do not want this situation or this relationship to end. It can be a partnership, it can be a friendship. To me it looks like a something more than friendship though, but it can be anything. It can be different for different people, but what I feel here is, it is something definitely very important in your life, and something has happened in this scenario, in this situation, which is troubling you and making you a lot disappointment. You are very upset about it. Okay, you are not even sharing your feelings with anyone, just keeping it close to your heart. With the Knight of Swords, the King of Cups, and the Queen of Wands, what I feel here is that this person, somebody here is in a hurry. Okay, see, I'm getting the energy of another person out here. That's what I'm trying to say. What I feel here is, maybe this person has been in some urgency or to do something else, and maybe there is a transient sort of say detachment, or a detachment. Maybe you're not able to talk to this person, maybe you're not able to meet this person. Can be that. It's something like that. This person seems to be busy with something else. They are moving in haste to maybe to fulfill some other work, focused on some work, some emergency, some of their ambition, something. This person has, that's what I'm getting. There is a connection over here which you are dealing with, and this person has has to do something else, busy with something else type of a thing. That's what I'm getting. And because of, maybe this person has gone and that is why you're upset. Okay, missing them type of a vibe. As I said, this seems to be a very transient type of an energy. It is a current energy check, so it's not a very long term type of a thing. But yes, what I feel is it's like you're missing that person. That is why you're upset. You're missing this person. And the King of Cups and the Queen of Wands, what I feel again, it seems to be this couple. It's this is this Two of Cups. You two people together, both of you know that you are there for each other. Okay, there are a lot of emotions, lot of passion, lot of attraction for each other. Both of you are providing to this relationship in a balanced way. Okay, that is what this is. Both of you are really nurturing each other, really being with each other in at every point in time. And maybe that is what it is. Maybe this person is busy with something else, to put it in a simple way. This person is busy with something else. Maybe they had to rush in fast. Maybe there was, you didn't know since a long time that this person is going to go there. Some sort of an emergency type of a call seems to be there, and maybe that is why you're disappointed, because since you're not able to talk to them or not able to be with them, something like that, and you really wish them to be back. That is, it's a very cute little vibe that I'm getting with this reading here, Cancerians. I just hope it helps, and bye. Thank you.